Intro. This is the story of the teen who built a $1 billion brand from his bedroom. Ready to dive into an exciting story of Jason Parker? Let's get started. Behind one of the most surprising success stories in recent years is Jason Parker, a young entrepreneur with an unshakable belief in his vision. Success doesn't come from waiting for the perfect moment. It comes from taking action with the resources you have and making the most out of every opportunity. Today, we're diving into the story of Jason Parker, a 17-year-old who turned his bedroom into the launchpad for a $1 billion company. From humble beginnings to shaking up the tech industry, his journey is a perfect reminder that no dream is too big when you're willing to put in the work. But this isn't just a story about success. It's about facing challenges, never giving up, and building something that truly makes a difference. And at the end, it will be a triumph that defied the odds. What started in a small bedroom would soon change the way the world built businesses online. So, join me and let's find out how Jason Parker go from an aspiring teen entrepreneur to the CEO of a global business which is over a staggering $1 billion in evaluation. Welcome to the Business Vault as we uncover how Jason Parker did it. In 2020, the world was shut down. Schools closed, streets emptied, and millions were stuck indoors. For 17-year-old Jason Parker, it meant spending most days inside his bedroom, alone with his thoughts, a laptop, and time. He wasn't a prodigy, no rich parents, no tech connections, just curiosity and a drive to figure things out. He began watching YouTube videos on how websites were made. He downloaded free tools like WordPress, played with templates, and slowly started understanding the basics of design and structure. Within a few weeks, he was reaching out to small local businesses, offering to build simple websites for $200 apiece. A bakery down the street became his first client, then a friend's dad who ran a gym, then a dog groomer. He wasn't making millions, but he was learning something more valuable than money: how to build, sell, and solve real problems. As the months passed, Jason noticed a trend. Many of the small businesses he was working with did not just want websites. They wanted an easy way to manage them. They'd ask him for small changes, updates, and additions that would take up hours of his time. Even though he was making a decent amount of money, Jason knew that he couldn't scale by just building websites one at a time. There had to be a better way. That's when he had the idea. What if he could create a platform that allowed anyone to build their own website without needing coding skills? A drag-and-drop builder that anyone could use. It wasn't a new idea, but what made Jason's vision different was the focus on simplicity. He began working on a prototype. Late nights, trial and error, and countless mistakes. But Jason was driven by one thing: building a product that worked better than the competition. He knew that success didn't come from a perfect product right away. It came from solving a real problem for people. Jason's goal wasn't just to build websites, it was to give small businesses the tools to succeed on their own, without the need for expensive developers or designers. Jason launched his platform in 2021 and called it Flowify. It didn't explode overnight, but slowly people began to notice. Word spread through online communities, and small business owners started to talk about it. By the end of his first year, Jason had more than 1,000 active users. The feedback was overwhelmingly positive. People loved how easy it was to create websites and manage them without any coding knowledge. But there was one problem. Jason was still working out of his bedroom, and his platform Flowify had limitations. He realized he needed funding to scale, but funding was hard to come by. At 18, he didn't have the connections or a proven track record. He pitched to dozens of investors, and all he heard was no. Jason didn't give up. Instead, he reworked his pitch and kept refining his product. Eventually, one investor saw the potential and agreed to take a chance. That investor was Carrington, a successful venture capitalist known for backing high-growth tech startups. David had a keen eye for spotting emerging talent, and after meeting with Jason, he believed in the vision. He offered Jason the funding he desperately needed to take his platform to the next level. With that initial investment, Jason hired his first employees, a small team of engineers, marketers, and designers. They worked out of coffee shops and rented offices, building a product that would appeal to the next generation of entrepreneurs. Jason's company, Flowify, started expanding its services. They offered more features, added customer support, and even started marketing campaigns to drive awareness. The platform became more than just a website builder. It became a tool for anyone who wanted to turn their side hustle into a full-time business. By the end of 2023, Jason's company had reached a $1 billion in valuation. From his bedroom, Jason had gone from a teenager with an idea to the CEO of a global tech company. Success is just the beginning. Jason's Parker journey is more than just the story of a young entrepreneur building a billion-dollar company from his bedroom. It's a testament to vision, perseverance, and a belief that the simplest ideas can change the world. The lessons he learned: to innovate with purpose, to never stop improving, and to embrace the grind, are lessons that we all can apply. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or someone simply looking for motivation, remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's built with hard work, belief in yourself, and the drive to push forward even when things seem impossible. So, take inspiration from Jason's Parker story. Start small, think big, and never give up, because your success story is waiting to be written. Thank you for watching the incredible story of the team who built a $1 billion brand from his bedroom. An interesting journey of Jason Parker. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the Business Vault has many more fascinating stories to share. Have a story you'd like us to cover next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.